Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss a topic that concerns the usability of Google Chrome. I've been using it recently myself, about 4 months, and I'm very happy with it. It is especially important when there is more than one person working at the computer or laptop. Everyone should have their own Gmail. Everyone keeps password, bookmarks, browsing history, and others. We also talk about this on that channel. Everything you need to know about working in Chrome you will find on this channel. The link to the playlist video below. And in this video we are going to look at how to work on one computer for multiple people, or in a situation where you personally have multiple Gmail accounts. For example, I have several work email accounts. I have several YouTube channels that I comfortable working with in a separate profile. And now I will show you how to do it. Now I opened my Google Chrome, and you can see in the right top angle my photo. When I click on it, I can see all my accounts that I have. And you see this is a lot of accounts because it's very comfortable for using, and I didn't imagine that it's so comfortable. And I want to talk to you how to work with Google Chrome in a very comfortable way. So you can click to this icon, or you can press add, or you can work in Google Chrome like a guest. For example, you came to your friend for a little period, maybe for some days, or you can work on someone's computer from your summer holiday, for example, or it's maybe some another ways using. But if you want to manage your account on your own computer, and on your computer work multiple people, maybe, I don't know, in my situation, for example, on my computer work my son, and previously on my computer work my wife, but now I have deleted her accounts. That's why you can see only my accounts and one account of my son. So we can press add, or this icon, for example this icon. You can see all my accounts in that window, and we also can click add. We can edit previous our account or delete. So let's start. I press add, and you can choose two options: continue without account, and if you don't have Gmail account, you can work in your Chrome without account, but you can't synchronize all your data. It's not so comfortable for working. That's why I recommend you to create your own Gmail account. And if you don't know how to do it, I can help you. Click on this message in the right top angle, or click to below this video in description. So imagine that you already have your Gmail account, and you can press sign in. And after that, when you sign in, you can turn on sync. You can sync your bookmarks, password, history, and more on your device. You can always choose what to sync in settings. Google may your history to personalize search and other Google services. That's why when I create new account in Chrome and I work in a specific way, that's why I want to see personalize from Google in YouTube, for example, some videos that describes my work. So I always try to sync all my data in that account. Yes, I'm in. And you can change your test one, for example, change your name, change your color, your web browser, but I leave it. Done. And when I press on that icon, I can find, for example, if I open manage all my accounts, I can find its test account. But when I work in this account, I don't find it in that list, but if I switch to another account, I can see new account in that list. You can input any settings of your Chrome. It will work only in that account. For example, if you want on start up your browser and continue where left off and all tabs that have opened before, you can see it when you start your browser, your Chrome, for example. You can switch, for example, language and other settings that we are also learn in video on that channel. And after that, it will be easy to switch between your accounts. It's very comfortable for working. You don't need to switch or always sign in your different account. It was so difficult for me previously. Then I have to out from one my account and sign in another account. I have some bookmarks in one account, but when I sync in another account, it all messed up and it's not so comfortable. And when I found this way to work with Chrome, I was very happy with it. That's why I recommend you to do this in that way. And if you like this information, press button like, subscribe to the channel and see another video about Chrome that you can see on the screen right now. Goodbye.